We approach the Discovery. Holy cow. This actually went into space. Unlike the Enterprise on the Intrepid, this one came back from space. Oh,
that's so cool.
Lewis picture.
Wow, it's awesome.
This is awesome.
That is an awesome one.
The model of the alien spacecraft was used in the filming of Close Encounters. Director Spielberg envisioned the ship and team the model train parts and other kits.
77.
Holy cow. Yeah, Devil's Tower in Wyoming.
This is the year before Star Wars.
You can see some details not seen in the film, including a Volkswagen bus. All right, where's the Volkswagen bus? The R2-D2 Android is in here too.
Really?
Okay, I gotta. Okay. This is intriguing me.
Okay. See it.
Hey, you gotta look.
I'm looking.
Where's the Volkswagen bus?
Oh, here's R2D2. Found
Where?
it. Right there. On the edge.
Oh, this is so cute. There's R2-D2.
So that must mean like the Volkswagen must be on that level too.
There's little R2-D2. Right there, there's little R2-D2. Well, he and Lucas were good friends. You have a plane up here. I see a plane. There's a plane. Couple planes. Nice panoramic shot of this. Oh, wait, I'm coming around.
See the TIE fighter right there? Look.
Oh, yeah, that's from Star Wars. Yep. You didn't see any Volkswagen bus, do you?
No.
All right, I'm not gonna kill myself over this.
Two.
Oh, it's just some planes. That was pretty cool hanging off. What the hell? What are those little things up there? No. This just blows me away. All right, let's go back to Discovery. So this is the quarantine facility. NASA quarantine facility for astronauts. I always wondered where they put them. Well, yeah, where they got quarantined, right? Yeah. This is it.
Yeah, but I never even really imagined what it looked like. Tell you the truth.
I had no idea. This is very cool.
Look at this. Look at all these toys.
Buck Rogers stuff.
Oh man, that's awesome. This
Ray guns.
Yes, metal.
Ray guns and.
Buck Rogers.
Yeah.
She was beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Eric Gray.
Yeah.
I watch the show every week.
Me too. Here we go.
There's the Star Wars stuff.
Awesome.
But you have to go to England to Legoland. I'm sure it's other than Legolands where they have all Star Wars and Legos.
That's awesome.
It was.
That's awesome.
I mean, you have a Chewbacca in Lego.
I would freak
Well,
out.
check my Facebook. It's all there.
Check this out. This reminds me of this from the Twilight Zone, like this kind of robot.
No. That's Lost in Space. Lost in Space.
But it's Twilight Zone episodes had robots like that.
Yeah,
later on.
but right, true. But it's,
Oh, look at that.
Oh, Forbidden Planet, which was like Lost in Space.
Check this out. Return of the Jedi toy.
Yeah, they sold all these.
I had those.
They sold all these Lego things. But there's the Discovery. Holy cow! Look,
So much your space shuttle.
Gemini, right there, Lewis. Okay, take pictures. Take lots of pictures, please. Of the space shuttle. Take lots of pictures of the space shuttle. Look at the damage. Look at the tiles. Not reusable. This is one amazing. Oh my! This is just unreal. Human ingenuity, Lewis. Human ingenuity. Oh, that's really. What is this?
It was a test robot to see what humans would be able to withstand, what kind of pressures they'd be able to withstand when they get feedback.
Spacesuit development. That is wild. Oh, training couch.
Oh.
Oh, this is cool. John Glenn's training couch. G-Force. That is one big rocket, Lewis. That's what we saw in Florida. The Saturn V. You should see this in Florida. It goes from one end of the hangar all the way to the other hangar. This thing is so humongous. The Saturn V, V rocket. That blows you away. I believe that's also on my Facebook. If you check out my Florida trip from a few years ago, you see all these pictures of Cape Kennedy. An R2-D2 mailbox. JediMaster.com. 50 states and Puerto Rico. Phone booth for Mercury spacecraft, 1960s. Very cool. And here it is. Oh my. Look how big this thing is. You won't get this in the Intrepid. You don't see it like this. It's much darker.
So
It doesn't allow you to take really great pictures of it.
Look at the panels on it.
I know, I'm saying, because this went into space and back into space. You see the things that made the moves, the shields coming down, falling off. Apollo 15, 1971, James Irwin. Oh, my, look at that. So this made it to the moon. This made it to the moon. Is that moon dust on it?
Who knows?
Moon dirt. This is visor. Bubble helmet. Gloves. So these are training. These are training things. Yeah, here's the rocket. Look at this. 1:48 scale model. That's one big rocket. Mercury capsule. Here's another Mercury. Shepherd up to fly this. Amazing. Big Joe. Oh, so this is unmanned. Gemini 7. $1965. 14 days. Louis, don't interfere. Wait a minute. Look at that.
Pretty cool. I guess we should go back. We'll come back.
So this was the actual collar. All right, here's the Discovery. Here's the Discovery. Discovery tied for spaceflight as the longest serving and most accomplished space shuttle orbiter. Champion of the shuttle fleet. It flew on 39 Earth orbital missions, spent a total of 365 days in space, traveled 240 million kilometers, 150 million miles. Discovery's record-setting total crew of 251 consisted of 184 men and women, many who flew more than once. Because Discovery flew every kind of mission the space shuttle was designed to fly, it embodies a 30-year history of the U.S. human spaceflight from '81 to 2011. named for renowned sailing ships of exploration, is preserved here as intact as possible as it last flew in 2011 on the 133rd Space Shuttle mission. Oh, that is really cool. Look at there. Oh, look at those tiles. Let's zero in on some of these tiles. So these are things that were so controversial and falling off.
Yeah.
The heat shields. They were supposed to protect the. Unfortunately, didn't protect all the shuttles. Still want to know what happened to the Columbia, or why it blew up. This is unreal. Oh my! Look how close you get.
Last time I have a picture of all of us together with Woody.
And the tires don't look like much. You know, when you look at these tires compared to these other tires, it doesn't look like much.
You check out the suit.
Lewis, get a good picture of the Discovery. Zero in on Discovery. The word.
Got it.
Good.
That's how big the motor is.
That's the arm that they use to maneuver around. Oh, take a picture of the Canada arm, Lewis. Try to get a good angle at it, of that. And that's what you see on all those films, the news shows on what the shuttle will do in space. This is the arm that they used. So this held the Hubble. So this is the one that put the Hubble telescope up there. Space Lab International Space Station Elements. Lewis, get a picture of that, where it says purge port to remain clear and open at all times. Get a picture of that.
Got it.
Good. This is unreal. Take a picture of the United States NASA symbol. Go down a bit and take that.
Got it.
Good. Look how big this arm is. Holy cow.
There you go. Canadarm.
It's called the Canadarm. Remote manipulator system. There is in action. Oh, that's cool. Okay, get next. Yeah. So this is the one that blew up. Columbia. I'll get that last. Get a sense of things. Under the wing. Holy cow, look at that. Louis, take a picture of this. Take a picture of that. Got the tail. Look how big that is. Space lab stuff.
So crazy. Actually, our species is no longer solar system. The thing is, they're no longer classified as a solar system species because way out of
Let's do that spider outside this weekend.
Spider web formation experiment.
Well,
So once the spiders became used to weightlessness, their webs became
Just get cellophanes and then that's
Modified.
it.
yes.
And the final liftoff of Discovery, a tribute to the dedication of our work and pride of America's space shuttle is going out.
Oh, get over here and die. Or turn
Oh, God.
Or turn pitch black.
really?
Like that.
Look at the power, the energy coming out of those boosters, coming out of the shuttle. Look at that.
They're like attacking as soon as it launches.
Wow.
You get the fireworks come out of it.
All right, let's look at space.
When's the final Atlas launch? It was back 2011.
Yes,
But
we went to one of them. We went to like the third to last one.
Wow, look at these controls. Looks like Commodore 64. Pretty advanced for its time.
This is 1950s.
They already knew we already saw the need for keyboards.
Right.
So now, you know, put in whatever.
Look at push.
The Earth from the Moon, Ultraviolet. Hurricane Helene, 1985. Aurora, 1991. Mars, oh, this is up close. Venus, orbiter. Infrared bars. Image. Mars image. Comet Halley Comet. Halley's Comet. Is the orbit of Halley's Comet. Jupiter.
Okay. So in order for the shuttle to break orbit, remember we're going 17,500 miles an hour. These are cones up there. This is a small cone. There's one on this side, there's one on the other side. That's the orbital maneuvering system engines. And the commander needs to fire those for 2.5 minutes in order to slow the shuttle down by 200 miles an hour to 17,300 miles an hour. Then gravity will grab the shuttle and bring it the rest of the way down. And during that time, right after that retro burn, the commander will bring the shuttle up to a more traditional position to re-enter the atmosphere. At about 330,000 feet above the atmosphere east of Australia, the shuttle will touch the atmosphere.
Go tell your father.
Everybody wants to see that.
You got all those rockets?
I got it.
Good.
The atmosphere is about 330,000 feet, and 1 hour later, the sun down and take its place. But the sun is coming
Oh wow, provided early detection of Soviet missile attack. Wow. This is history, Lewis. Holy cow. Detection of Soviet incoming missiles. Whoa. What are those two things on the other side? Echo communication satellite. Here's broadcasting satellite. Whoa. I'll tell you, this is one of the coolest places I've ever been to. This is one of the coolest places I've ever been to.
And just have to look at the outside. That's
Yes. Yeah, I think we're done. You got the Alice Centaur rocket. You got the Titan 3C rocket. The Delta 3914 rocket. The Titan 3E Centaur rocket.
This photo shows the damage to the Hubble Space Telescope's antenna dish from a microscopic bit of debris. Astronauts retrieved this panel from the Hubble. Each arrow points to an impact from a tiny piece of debris. A piece as small as a marble could seriously damage or destroy the Hubble.
The Ariane 4 rocket.
Satellite shields such as this
H1 rocket.
can prevent damage from absorbing impacts from small bits of debris. Debris remains in higher orbits for thousands of years. Debris in lower orbits eventually re-enters the atmosphere.
H2 rocket.
Some pieces, such as this titanium rocket motor piece, fall to Earth. This Delta II rocket propelled five astronauts survived the launch and declared this house in Texas in 1997.
Alice Rive 1 to 15 scale rocket. The Delta 4 rocket. Nice orange colors. These last two. I have 14 minutes left. So here's the light table. Nice shot of the shuttle from here. Nice shot of the shuttle right here, Lewis. Right here. Look at the whole shuttle. Right there. Try to get as much as you can. Perfect. That was a nice shot, Lewis. The Falcon missile. Anti-air weapon. Holy cow. Look at this. Got models of different rockets here.